G'day guys, Scotty here from The Hook and the Cook, and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm here with my dad Bill. We're up in the shallows, back of Main Bar, chasing flathead. Now guys, if you haven't tuned into our channel before, please subscribe and join in the fun weekly. Dad and I are going to head up and fish some lures around the shallows and see if we can find a few nice flathead. I've got a good mix of soft plastics here, good range, and some little hard body lures as well. So I'll give a few of these a try today and see if we can find ourselves a flathead. Just need to get myself rigged up and go out and join my dad. He's out there fishing at the moment. And he said he's already had a touch, so which is quite encouraging. Okay, Dad and I have been fishing down further, and nice little hole just as you come into this area. We're just walking up into the area called the Basin now, and I haven't fished up here for a lot of years. We did really well when we were kids fishing up here, so interesting, Dad, to see how we go.
Yeah, it will be.
Beautiful big drop off. I'll just turn the camera around so everyone can see what the basin looks like. It's a lovely big area, nice shallows, running into a big deep hole. Just where that stick is in front of us, it drops off. And my theory is that the flathead will be just laying on that drop off as the tide starts to run in. So we'll just get over there and see how we go, and hopefully we'll find a few fish in here. I'm feeling pretty good. It's an overcast sort of a day, a little bit of rain around. Conditions are probably ideal. Wouldn't you reckon, Dad?
Yeah. Yep.
Now the trick to finding flathead is just keep working along these weedy drop-offs here. How you been going over there? Any good? No good? Nothing yet. We'll just keep walking along, and you're sort of prospecting and fishing different edges and little sandy gullies down between the weed here. Perfect ambush spot for the flathead. First fish of the day, and it's a nice little flathead. Took a liking to the bloodworm wriggler from Squidgy. They're a great little lure. There he is, beautiful little fish. Little dusky. There he goes. Always a favourite place of mine up here in the mangroves, exploring these little areas, new areas we haven't fished for a while. And I suppose it's part of the adventure when you're fishing. It's not all about catching fish, it's about, you know, being amongst nature and seeing all sorts of things when you're up here. Bird life and the fish life and reptiles and all sorts of critters that are running around. It's always good. It makes a full day then. If you're putting pressure on yourself just to catch fish, I think you're missing the big picture. This looks nice here. We'll just I'll give this a bit of a try. A nice little dusky, a lot darker than the last fish I got. I'd say he was sitting down on that black weed in front of us here. He took a liking to the little green squidgy. A beautiful little fish. And anyway, we'll get him back in the water. There he goes. See if we can get another one. Well guys, a tough day on the water today. Only a few small fish, a couple of little flathead and dropped an alligator gar. And I think Dad got the big zero, didn't you?
Yeah, mate.
Nothing at all.
Can't win them all.
Got a few hits anyway, but we had a bit of fun. It was a good day out on the water anyway. Now guys, tune in next week to another fantastic clip on The Hook and the Cook. Please subscribe to our channel. You can follow us on Facebook, Twitter and Instagram, and we'll see you on the water next week. Cheers.